How to install Roblox on Galaxy S25 devices. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can install Roblox on Galaxy S25 series. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to install Roblox on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is open up our Play Store or App Store, and once we've done so, tap on the search bar right there. Then go ahead and just type in Roblox, as you can see. Then once you type in Roblox, this is the interface you will see. So if you want to download the app, just tap the install button there and you'll be able to install the Roblox application on your device. This is a simple process on how you can install Roblox on Galaxy S25 series. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.